Welcome back 100 words for 100 days. In this quick English learning video, you are going to learn an idiomatic expression is for a song. Let's get started. I am Idiomatic. This is what does it mean by for a song? But first, let me give you an example sentence, and it's your job to listen to that and guess the meaning. Who rumor that the tickets of Justin Bieber's concert in New Zealand will go for a song? What do you think this means? Incredibly inexpensive. To get something for surprisingly low price. To buy something for less than its worth. சர்ப்ரைசிங்காக விலை அதிகமாக உள்ள ஒரு பொருளை கம்மியான விலை கிடைக்கிறது ரொம்ப சீப் அண்ட் பெஸ்ட்டாக கிடைக்கிறதா ஃபார் அ சாங். லெட் மீ கிவ் யூ a couple of examples. She bought those lovely shoes at a flea market for a song. I've never seen such a sale before. Here things are going to for a song. I hope you understand this word, how to use in your conversation. I will meet you with a lot of words like this in next video. Till then, bye bye.